beginners struggle to find help and don't know where to look for help. Also, they want to help people, but they don't know where to find people to help. So in this video, I'll be explaining both ways to get help and help people. Also, this video will be shorter than usual as it won't be edited as much, but hopefully this will help a couple of people if to find more support and help. The first place is YouTube. I've searched Python for beginners. This doesn't have to be Python. It could be JavaScript. It could be C#, C++ if you're learning those languages. And then it doesn't have to be for beginners. It could be like Python Django or Python Selenium. So I just wrote Python beginners. We look for the video with most views or a couple of these videos with most views. We click on it. Just pause the video quickly. Wait for my laptop to load. And then we scroll down, we start by, we do the newest first, and we wait for it to load. And what we do is we read these comments and we try to find those comments that need help, so comments that want answers, so we reply to them, or we could make our own comments or how to clone a list or something, and then we post that. The thing with YouTube is the chances of your comment getting replied to are very slim, so use YouTube as a place where you could help other people out, and don't expect people to help you out, because YouTube is not really a great place for people to help you out. However, if you are looking for answers and if you've got a issue with your code, you can go to Stack Overflow and you can write something like this. So Python, how to add a dictionary. You can come in Stack Overflow and then you get the answer here. Although it might not be the exact answer you want, you can change it up to whatever you want. And you can see this was made 11 years ago, so Stack Overflow's been used for a while now. You don't even also need to use Stack Overflow, you can use these sort of websites and documentations. Also, you can look for more specific stuff like Django, how to create a super user, and you can see a documentation here. But documentation might not be great as you might not know where to look for the answers, so Stack Overflow is an easier place to look at. And it goes very specific to the version number and how to solve it. So one last thing with Stack Overflow is you can go to Stack Overflow, click on this, and there's a 1 here, and that is the level of what level you are with Stack Overflow. The higher level you are means the higher amount of times you help people. So you might go to the month or the newest comment and try to help the people who are struggling, and the more help you give them, the higher level you get, and that's great because when employers hire you, they might look at your Stack Overflow account and they want to see if you are active in programming. The last thing is Discord. I'm just gonna join this one. So I'm in a Discord. It's got 2, 5, and then 19 people in this Discord. So you can join it. You can ask for help for C++, C#, Python, JavaScript, and HTML. Most people in this Discord know C++ and C#, and Python and HTML. Just like a few know these three. So you can join this group if you want to ask for help for these specific language, or you can go to general and ask for specific questions for programming rather than coding, like questions about fields or whatnot. I'll leave the invitation to this server in the description below if you want to check it out, as with the Stack Overflow. So hopefully if you do join this Discord, you'll get the help that you need, and you can always come back and ask. So if this video has helped you out, make sure to subscribe and like, and watch out for the next one.